It's Ken again here with a tech tip for Windows. Today I will be showing you Ninite.com. Ninite is a website that allows you to select and install a lot of the free applications and tools that you probably want running on your computer without having to go all over the internet to get them. After it installs the applications, you can keep them up to date easily just by running the executable again. From the Windows 10 desktop, I will launch my browser and go to ninite.com. Here on the site, I can see a large number of applications grouped into categories. I'll select some of my favorites: Chrome, Firefox, Paint.net, Greenshot, VLC, Winamp, I'm going to get all of the runtimes, LibreOffice, BitTorrent, RealVNC, Winderstat, and I'm a bit of a programmer and coder, so I'm going to be getting Python 3, FileZilla, Notepad++, WinSCP, Putty, and I think that should do for now. Let me know if you would like me to make a video on any of those applications. Now I will click on Get Your Ninite, and it will download a small executable to my computer. I'm going to show in folder, and then I'm going to launch the executable. For each application, it is going to check the current version on the computer, if there is any, and it will download and install the application if it is not already there, or if the updated version is newer than the version that's currently on the computer. While it is running, I can click Show Details to see the status of the installs. Now that all the installs have completed, I'll check the status, and it looks like everything installed correctly. So I'll click Close, I'll close the folder, I'll close the Ninite website, and now I can see it has indeed installed a bunch of applications. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. And I hope you will join me for other installments.